Hey, Mary.
It's Marie.
Whatever. It's time for you to leave.
No.
Why does it be so difficult?
It's exhausting.
Fucking hate it here. Assholes. Fucking hate it. Assholes.
I fucking hate Daisy and Cleo. You can kill them.
You're telling me.
I want revenge. I want to kill them.
Yeah, okay, Sadie, let's kill them.
Really?
No! What? Look, they're shitty to me too, but I'm brooding silently, like a normal person.
Aren't you furious? For the past 3 months, they have made our lives a living hell. I fucking hate them. I hate them. I hate them.
Stop.
Can we kill them?
Sadie, no.
Then fuck off. How did it go, Mia?
What's all this screaming about? You're interrupting our movie.
You wenches! Bitches! Assholes! How could you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, is little Mary crying over a stuffed animal? I told you, we're living with children. They're prepubescent, honestly.
Get out! Get the fuck out!
Whatever. I don't want to watch this shit show anyway. Just do us a favor and try to keep it down.
You've convinced me. Let's kill them.
You really mean it?
Let's start a fucking coup.
Okay.
Point 11. 11? Yeah.
Please, don't do this!
Please, God! God can't help you bitches now.
Cut.
Cut.